version 1.0 of our new setup for Shockbox. I have tried setting up this set for the past 6 months and I'm finally happy with it. Officially, I'm happy with it. So what we've got here is, I thought it would be a bit of fun to just show you the equipment I'm using here on the channel and just talk you through some of the decisions I made. So obviously the first thing you're going to notice is we've got this camera here. We've also got this camera here. Woo! Hey guys, how's it going? Which is really cool. So now we've got a front camera ahead and a top-down camera, so you guys, when I'm reading the boxes of cool stuff, I can read it and you guys can see it. When I look at products, when I look at mobile phones, it's all right there. You guys can see it and it's going to be awesome. I can even zoom into certain sections and read certain sections for you. It's going to be cool. So what have I got here for you? So first of all, got a tree. This tree is going to be with us from the start and it's going to be with us till the end. It's an amazing tree. It's a beautiful tree. Okay, so a quick shout out before I begin to a friend of mine, Flabaliki. He's known on YouTube. You should check him out. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. Say hey for me. But he made a video unboxing this. This is the Blackmagic Micro Studio Camera 4K. I was about to purchase a camera and then he made a video about this micro studio camera, which is a analog video recorder, which is amazing and it's super awesome. It's taken some setup. I've officially got myself a lens for it as well, which is Panasonic 15mm f1.7 lens, which is awesome. I also got a couple of other lenses, but this is the one I'm using at the moment. I'm running nowhere near 1.7, but it's good to have that flexibility if I want it. So that's the camera I'm looking for right here, and on top of that I'm using a Blackmagic Video Assist 4K. So right now I'm actually only uploading these videos in 4K. The top down camera is actually 1080p. You might be able to tell, you might not be able to tell, but I thought for the main camera I would future-proof myself and go 4K. A lot of people suggest cameras like Red cameras. They're like $15,000. I don't want to make, I mean, this stuff is expensive, you know. Just to record in 4K in ProRes, which is the format I record in, I had to buy these. This is a SanDisk Extreme Pro SDX UHS 2 card, and it allows you to write and read at speeds up to 300 megabytes per second, which is 4K ProRes certified, if you like. And these SD cards alone, they're expensive. You should look up online if you want to find out how much they are. I'll put links to all this in the description the best I can. Obviously I can't show you anything out of the box, so like, as you can see, the box is empty. However, I just thought it was exciting. So this allows me to record 4K, very nice indeed. Got a nice lens. I've got the top down camera, which I don't have the box for because I've had that camera for about, I don't know, 4 years or something crazy. So but it's good for now. I might upgrade it if I want to. I've got Sony 4K over there, but for now I think it's fine. It's more than does what I need it to. And my plan eventually is to get another set of these and put that above me, but for now this is fine. Like, we've got what we need. It's all good. And like, there's so many other things as well. This is the interesting stuff, like the stuff that is kind of interesting to look at, to be told, oh, what is Ollie using for a setup? So this is the main bulk of it. It doesn't even go into like how I'm recording audio. Audio was a huge thing here on the channel that I was trying to get absolutely right. I'm really happy with it now. I think it's perfect. I'm using a lavalier condenser microphone from Audio-Technica, using an XLR input which goes into here. A lot of this might not make a lot of sense to you if you're not in the video recording world, but it means it's an XLR input into this, which means I don't have to have a separate audio recorder. It all records natively at the same time, and it's also in sync, which is beautiful. So yeah, bit complicated. I've done a lot of research. I'm not a photography man, so I've had to learn things about camera lenses, micro four thirds lenses, aperture, and all the rest of it. So this has been a huge learning experience for me. But with version 1.0, I'm super happy with the result that we are, as an amateur, able to pull off. I think it's beautiful. I think all we need now is some good stuff to unbox, some products, and from there I think we can really make some cool videos. So I just want to say to everyone who's watched the videos up to this point and put up with the quality that I don't think is good enough, I think you're amazing. I really appreciate you sticking around. But yeah, I mean, this isn't even showing you everything. Like, we've got lighting, we've got, you know, tripods, we've got I even had to buy a little remote thing from a one-man company for this, I'll put a link to it in the description, but it's helped me, like, this camera doesn't autofocus on its own without a remote. It's mad. When you get into the professional-ish grade equipment, there's so many little extras and things like that. It's like really expensive. Like, this setup alone was really expensive, but I believe in the channel, I believe in you guys, and I believe that we can pull this off, and I think it's going to be worth it. And I've always wanted to do this. This has been such a huge passion project for me for the past couple of weeks, for the past 6 months, but for the past couple of weeks I've been grinding this setup like so much. We've got the lighting just right. I'm really happy with it. We've got the equipment I need. It doesn't stop recording after half an hour if I'm using something like a DSLR. You can't actually hack the Canon. This is what I was using before. This is a Mark II, 7D Mark II, which I don't believe has a magic lantern hack yet. So there's just so many things that I've learned, so many things that I've gone through, learned, like, oh, it's just so, like, if it's not, I wish people knew, there's no auto mode in professional grade equipment, and for an amateur who's learning everything, who's doing research, it's been such a headache. Like, some days I just wanted to quit, not do it at all, because I felt like it wasn't possible. I felt like what I had in my head wasn't possible, but here we are today. Lots of money, research, mistakes later, and we're finally here. So I'm so happy. Can't wait to start opening products. The first product we're opening, which actually I don't think requires much of a top-down view, is this thing. This is the Brio IC3S eye massager. So I'm very hyped for this. This is, as you can see, an eye massager, a relaxation tool, and I thought it'd be a bit of fun for our first official unboxing here on the channel. But yeah, like I said, thank you so much for everyone who's been here so far. I think we've got, I actually don't know how many subscribers we've got. I've been so focused on the set, I haven't even had time to look at how the channel's doing. So the channel might have lost all its subscribers. There might be no one watching this video. I doubt that's the case, but that could happen. But anyway, either way, me and the tree, the equipment, we're very happy. And before we go, I think you guys deserve to see my dog. All right, so everybody, meet the star of the show, Jack. And this isn't a reference to Unbox Therapy, Lou. I genuinely have a dog called Jack. Oh, and he's very, very cool. He does not like going up on desks, as you can see. He's very cute. Jack, what's this? No, that's not cool, dude. All right, come on then. So it's just you, me, Jack, and the tree, which is quite funny. I've had that dog for 7 years, so I don't want to hear any comments, but it is funny anyway. And that's pretty much it. Jack's gone back to sleep. I'm going to start making some videos, hopefully with this as well. If you've got any questions, hit me up in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them. And this has been really fun for me. I'm so happy we finally got the set finished, done. Absolutely happy. I could not be happier with this set. I think it's perfect. Obviously, equipment upgrades can always happen. Top-down camera is probably the first thing that would happen. But for now, setup 1.0, this is pretty dope, okay? The other stuff doesn't count because it was like alpha and beta. But this is finished, we're finished. I'm officially ready to shock you guys with some boxes of stuff. So guys, my name's Ollie, this is Shockbox, you are the Shocked Nation, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.